Hello all, welcome back to the BioRocks channel. In this video, I'll be introducing you with all the gastrointestinal hormones that are in our syllabus for the NEET. Okay, we'll even see how these hormones control the digestive secretions. So today for this video, the topic is going to be the gastrointestinal hormones. Gastrointestinal hormones and the way they control the secretions of the digestive juices. Okay, children. So the first thing that we would like to see is going to be the one which is being called as gastrin. So this is the hormone. Okay, and the one which is going to secrete this, that is a source from where we get this gastrin, is going to be the G cells. Okay, these are going to be the G cells, or what we call as your urgent taffin cells. Okay, the urgent taffin cells of the pyloric gastric glands, right? They are present where? They are our here pyloric gastric glands. Pyloric gastric glands of the stomach. Okay, these are the ones which are secreting the gastrin. Okay, these are the ones which are secreting the gastrin. And if you are going to talk about this, we even call this one as G17 because this is made up of 17 amino acids, so we call it as G17 also. And the important thing here about the functions of your gastrin is going to be, the first thing is it increases the secretion of the hydrochloric acid, children. This is going to increase the what we call is increase the secretion of hydrochloric acid. So who secretes the hydrochloric acid? It's going to be the oxyntic cells, right? So they act on the oxyntic cells and they are going to stimulate them to pour more hydrochloric acid. Okay, oxyntic cells of the gastric glands. Okay, as well as we can even see that this is going to even increase secretion of pepsinogen. Increase the secretion. Let me just correct this. So it is going to increase the secretion of the pepsinogen. Okay, so it is even increasing the secretion of the pepsinogen as well as prorenin. Okay, and it is increasing the secretions of the hydrochloric acid, and these are going to be secreted by whom? By which cells of the stomach? It's going to be your peptic cells. So they are going to act on the peptic cells and they'll stimulate them to pour more pepsinogen, more prorenin. Okay, and even they are going to even, that is G, that is gastrin, are going to even, the gastrin hormone is also going to stimulate your stomach. Okay, it is going to stimulate your stomach emptying, as increases the movements of the stomach. Okay, so it is going to even stimulate the emptying. So these are all the functions of the gastrin. And the second thing that we are going to learn is going to be about the secretin. Secreting. This is one of the most important prime videos where you can expect the questions, children. The gastrointestinal hormones. I'll be making such many videos. I request you all to do please subscribe and hit the like button. And do please comment in the comment section how this has helped you all. Please do share with others too. So secretin is going to be one of the other intestinal hormone, that is the gastrointestinal hormone, and this is going to be secreted by whom? The source is going to be the S cells, the secretin cells of mucosa of duodenum, of duodenum as well as jejunum. So here you can see the pouring of secretin. Okay, this is also going to be a polypeptide. Okay, protein hormone, polypeptide. That was made of, gastrin was 17, right? This is made up of 27 amino acids, children. And coming on to the functions of this secretin. This is going to stimulate the release of sodium bicarbonate from the pancreas and liver. Okay, so secretin is going to actually stimulate release of sodium bicarbonate, sodium bicarbonate from where? From the pancreas and the liver. From pancreas and liver. So it's acting on the pancreas and the liver. Who is that? That is going to be a secretin and is making them to release more sodium bicarbonate. Okay, it's stimulating them to produce this. And next one that we are going to learn is going to be about the pancreozymin. Pancreozymin. This is also a hormone. This is also a polypeptide hormone. Again, it's a polypeptide hormone. And pancreozymin is being secreted by, that is, I'm talking about the source. It's going to be the mucosa of duodenum. Mucosa of duodenum. Okay. And if you speak about the functions of this, the functions of your pancreozymin, this is going to actually stimulate the Acini cells of pancreas to secrete the pancreatic enzymes, the exocrine part, right? Pancreatic enzymes. Okay, now next one that we are going to have is about the cholecystokinin. Cholecystokinin. This is also one of a gastrointestinal polypeptide hormone made up of the amino acids. It's actually made up of 33 amino acids. And if you speak about the source of the cholecystokinin, it's been produced by the eye cells of mucosa of duodenum. Mucosa of duodenum. Of duodenum. So you can see secretin produced by the S cells and pancreozymin by the mucosa, and the eye cells of the mucosa of the duodenum again are pouring up the cholecystokinin. And you can see wide ranges of gastrointestinal hormones secreted by the duodenum. Talking about the function of this, functions, children. The first function of the cholecystokinin is it is going to stimulate the contraction of gallbladder. Okay, stimulation of, that is stimulate the, let me correct this, it stimulates yeah, stimulates the contraction of gallbladder, contraction of gallbladder. Okay, and besides this, so if it contracts, what does it do is it's going to be related with the release of bile, right? So release of bile. This is actually being controlled by whom? The cholecystokinin. And next one is it is going to even perform another function that is going to be, it relaxes the sphincter of Adi. Relaxes the sphincter of D. And the function, the most important function is it is going to be related with the secretion of bile from liver. How important is it to pour up that is bile juice from the gallbladder and to make your liver secrete the bile juice, as well as in order to even what you call as it is even relaxing the sphincter of Adi. So these are the main functions of the cholecystokinin. And next, coming on to children, the other one that I would like to speak is about the diocrine, another polypeptide hormone, polypeptide gastrointestinal hormone. And this is going to be secreted by the mucosa of the duodenum again, mucosa of duodenum. Okay, and when we speak about the function of this particular diocrine, this is going to actually stimulate the secretion of the mucus from the Brunner's gland. Okay, so this is stimulating the secretion of stimulating the of secretion of mucus from where? From the Brunner's gland, from Brunner's gland of intestine. Okay, these are the ones. Next we have is another which is being called as enterokinin. Enterokinin. This is also a polypeptide hormone. This is actually not mentioned in the NCRT for the NEAT, but this also plays a major role. Okay, this is also one of the polypeptide hormones. The source is going to be again the mucosa of small intestine. Okay, mucosa of the small intestine altogetherly. And talking about this one is going to actually have a basic function of stimulating the crypts of Libercun glands to secrete a large amount of the intestinal enzymes. Okay, so it stimulates the crypts of Libercun, crypts of Libercun to secrete more amount of intestinal enzymes. Okay, children, these are the different gastrointestinal hormones that you need to understand and remember for your NEET syllabi. You can see how they are controlling, because you need to know that the gastrointestinal hormones are the ones which are controlling the secretions of the digestive juices, right? They are acting on the different organs and they are trying to either release, relax the sphincters or make them pour up their secretions, bringing about the contractions over there, right? These are all the functions of these. And if you look at these ones, so we have spoke about the gastrin, right? And we spoke about the secretin, pancreozymin, the cholecystokinin, and the diocrinin and the enterokinin. I hope children you all have understood this and you could actually discover the main importance or the important function of these gastrointestinal hormones in the digestion process, how they enable the pourings and how they enable the digestion process. If you like the video, please do hit the like button and try to share and subscribe my channel. Thank you all. Thank you.